In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey on Circle. So, whether you're gathering feedback, conducting research, or just curious about your audience's opinions, creating a survey in Circle.so can be a powerful tool. So, let's get started. First, the essential step begins with logging into your Circle.so admin account. Make sure you have your login details handy, and once you're in, you'll have access to all the features you need to create a survey easily. Now direct your attention to the left sidebar. You'll notice an option labeled Spaces. Click on it, which will allow you to select the specific space where you'd like to host your survey. Choosing the right space is important as it determines the audience that will have access to your survey. Next, you'll see an option to Create Post. Click on this and from the drop-down menu, select Survey. This is where the creation of your survey really begins. You'll be prompted to enter a descriptive, enticing survey title that grabs attention and informs your audience about the survey's purpose. After that, move on to the exciting part, adding your questions. Click on Add Questions to start populating your survey with the content you need. A survey's value largely depends on the questions you ask, so ensure they are clear and aligned with the survey's objective. To add a question, click on Add Question and you'll see various question types like multiple choice, short answer, and rating, among others. Choose the type that best suits your question's intent and enter your question in the provided field. Don't forget to hit Save to ensure your questions are added successfully. For longer surveys, you can add sections or page breaks to make it easier for respondents to navigate through. Just look for the Add Section/Page Breaks option to take advantage of this feature. Once your survey structure is ready, it's crucial to set access and visibility. Click on Set Access Visibility and navigate to the access settings. You'll be able to choose visibility options like members only or restrict it to certain plans. Once you've made those selections, save your changes to ensure your settings are applied. With everything set up, it's time to click Publish. This will make your survey live and accessible to the audience based on the access settings you chose. Finally, if you want to expand your survey's reach, consider sharing it. Select Share Survey Link, and you'll see an option to copy link. From there, you can share the link via email, embed it on your website, or broadcast it on social media platforms to gather responses far and wide. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully created a survey on Circle.so. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your survey yields insightful, valuable responses. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful tips and guides.